Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I know I look a fright. We had the hot water tank go out, so the drilling that you hear will be my husband trying to put that back in. So that has been my day so far. Although I wanted to get this video out, I won another giveaway. I won the giveaway from Rhonda Said, which I will put right here. It was her 500 subscriber giveaway. If you don't know who Rhonda Said is, she's Rhonda. She says stuff. You might want to hear about what she has to say. I enjoy watching her. I love her to death. I think she's so funny. Let's go ahead and get in this box and see what I received for this giveaway. So she sent it in the new premium BoxyCharm box, which I am still on that waiting list. Let's go ahead and look in here and see what we received. So she did send me a card. It says, thank you. Thank you for all your support. I really enjoy your channel and learn from it. Anyway, this will go up with the rest of my cards. So the first thing that we got in here was the mini controversy palette. Now, if you do not know, I tried on launch day to get the collection of Shane Dawson and Jeffree Star's whole collection, and the site crashed. The pre-order sale was a no-go for me too. That was 10.5 hours I wasted for nothing in return. Either way, I now have this palette. This is what that palette looks like. It is so pretty. And then when you open it up, it does have a mirror. And there are those shades. I will let y'all see the imprints. I think that Jeffree and Shane did wonderful on this release. I can't wait for 2020 to get the bigger palette. I do have all of Jeffree's palettes. And now I have this one. So I'm super excited. Thank you, Rhonda, very much. The next thing we have is some sheet masks from Dermal. We have an herb, a charcoal, and a snake. Anybody know what that's from? I'm gonna put a little clip in for y'all.
I'm a snake. I'm a snake.
I cracked up when I opened this one and seen it. So we have 3 sheet masks. Sheet masks are always wonderful to have. I do use them on a regular. Then I got the Ilamasque, this lovely company that Ipsy keeps sending us stuff from. A pencil in the color Raw. It's a nudie color. Yes, my daughter has already opened this and used it, but it is a pretty color. There is that color. Then we had a angled blending brush from Look Good, Feel Better. This is a luxurious, soft bristles, cruelty-free and vegan, professional quality. That is what that brush looks like. I'm always down for a new brush. Then I got a set of lashes. There they are. I think they are pretty. I can't wait to try them out and hopefully not mess them up. Then I got some salted caramel bath fizzies from Bubble Tea and Look Fantastic. Now I don't get Look Fantastic, but I keep watching Leanne Sereno and her Look Fantastic unboxings. It makes me want to try it. And these smell amazing. The next thing I got was the Morgan Taylor Professional Nail Lacquer and I'm Charmed. Then I got the Trestique Good Vibes Mascara Curler Lash Enhancing Mascara. It has the little eyelash curler on the end. The mascara in this is great. The curler, a waste of time, a waste of space. It's only a half curler and I don't find it to be very useful. It's just a second step that is unnecessary when you can use a full-size lash curler and do all your lashes at once instead of twice. But I do like the mascara in here. So then I got the Tarteist lip paint in the color Front Row. That is what that looks like. Now I have a couple of these lip paints. They do stay, but this one is a pretty color and I will more than likely use this. So there's that color. It is true to packaging. I look rough today, guys. I am super sorry, but this is real life. It won't always be this way. Then we got the Betty Boop collab with Ipsy, the Cheek to Cheek blush palette. The highlighter in here I really do like. The blushes were not my cup of tea. And the packaging, while it's pretty, it's not very versatile to open. That is what that palette looks like. So you have your two blushes and your highlight. But the packaging is really cute. And I like Betty Boop, so I might be a little biased there. Then I got the Lovecraft Beauty bronzer palette. That is what it looks like. I can open it for y'all. I do like this bronzer palette. Is nice. You got your warm tones and your cool tones. Like I said, I do like this palette. I use it quite often. I've actually been using this more than my Park Avenue Princess palette. Then I got the Prime for Face from Marabella. I've not tried this, so that is something new to try. That is what that looks like out of the container. Then I got the Sleek highlighting palette, Solstice. I do have one other Sleek highlighter palette that, not this one, but this is what that looks like. And when you open it, you throw the brush around. Hope I don't blind y'all. It has 3 powders and a cream. So it is very pretty. I do like Sleek highlighters. They are very soft and the formula is very nice. Then I received the Bath & Body Works 1 in a Million 24-hour Moisture Ultra Shea Body Butter. And when I say that yumminess in a tube, this right here, this is it. It smells amazing. And then the last thing I received in this giveaway was a set of brushes from AOA Studio, Professional High Def Brush Set. Everybody knows how I feel about brushes, so I was super excited to see that this was in there. It's got the cute little clutch for going away for the weekend or vacation or whatever. And then there are those brushes. As you can see, I have not taken them out. I haven't even touched them. So we're going to open one and touch it. So this is the F1, and it's just a foundation brush. It feels nice. It's not super thick, but not super fluffy. So I can't wait to use these. So that was my giveaway. I have been quite lucky here lately. I don't know what's going on. I feel like I need to buy a lottery ticket. Thank you for taking the time to stop by and see all the stuff that I won. Rhonda, thank you very much. Congratulations on your 500 subscribers. I know that that is a great milestone. Y'all do know the drill. As always, please do hit that like, share, and subscribe button. It does help me out. And as always, have a great day and stay beautiful. Bye.